हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज हम मार्केटिंग रिसर्च की क्लास में एडवर्टाइजिंग रिसर्च के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि एडवर्टाइजिंग रिसर्च क्या होता है, इसके प्रकार क्या हैं, उनके एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज क्या है। एडवर्टाइजिंग रिसर्च इज़ अ स्पेशलाइज्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द मार्केटिंग रिसर्च कंडक्टेड टू इम्प्रूव द efficiency of advertising. The advertising research is the systematic gathering and the analysis of the information to help develop and evaluate advertising strategies, aids, and the commercial and the media campaign, a subset of the marketing research. Advertising research may the focus on the specific ad or the campaigning or may be directed at a more general understanding of how advertising work or how to consumer use to the information in advertising. It can entail a variety of the research approaches including psychological, sociological, economic, and the other perspectives. Type of the advertising research: the customized research is the conducted for a specific client to address that the client needs, only that the client has access to the result to the research. Syndicated research is a single research study conducted by a research company with its result available for sale to multiple company. Method of advertising research: pre-market research can be conducted to optimize ads for any medium. Optimizing advertisement for the any medium: radio, television, print, magazine, newspaper, and direct mail, outdoor billboard, highway, bus and train, or internet. Post-market research conducted after the advertising and either a single ad or the entire multimedia campaign has been the run in the market. The focus is on what the advertising has done for the brand, for example increasing brand awareness, trial frequency, and the purchasing. Pre-testing or the copy testing: evaluation of the alternative way of the advertisers to present their messages. Copy refers to an entire advertisement including the verbal message, picture, color, and the dramatization, whether the advertisement appear in print, radio, television, or some other medium. Copy testing: consumer jury, rating scale, portfolio test, psychological test, sales test, day after recall test. Consumer jury: oldest and the simplest test. The personal interview may be used or a group may be assembled and asked to vote or an alternative based on their preference, interest, and the influence to buy the product. Provides a rating given by a group of the consumer who may be represent potential buyer of the product. Exemptions: the respondent must like at least one advertisement. Rating scale: require the establishment of the standard for effective copy and the numerical weight for each standard. Ads are then rated in the accordance with the scale value and the numerical score is obtained. Advantage: provide at least against which to check. An ad helps to single out two elements that are the good or bad. Disadvantage: different judges will rate the ad differently. Portfolio test: sometimes the ad is placed in dummy copies of the newspaper or magazine. A group of ads, usually a mixture of the test ads and the control ads, is placed in the portfolio. Psychological tests: the tests are often using special laboratory equipment which record and the individual response to ad. List of the reaction like the PT, security, fear, or the nostalgia is set up. The alternative ad are then rated to how readers. Now the technique including word association, sentence compulsion, depth, interview, storytelling are the adapted. Difficult to implement since skilled interviewer are the required. Sales text: the sales texts are a useful measure of the advertising effectiveness when the advertising is the dominant element or the only variable in the company's marketing plan. Sales response may not be immediate and the sales test, particularly field studies, are often costly and the time consuming. Day after recall test: the research method the test consumers' memory the day after they have seen an ad to access the ad effectiveness. Post testing the provide either periodic or the continuous and market research monitoring a brand performance including brand awareness, brand preference, product uses, and the attitudes. Some post testing approaches simply track changes over time, while other the various method of the qualify the specific changes produced by the advertising, either the campaigning as a whole or by the different media utilized. Overall, the advertisers as opposed testing to plan future advertising campaigning, so the approaches that provide the most detailed information on the accomplishment of the campaigning are most valued. Problem in the media selection. It's not sufficient to select the major media. You also need to make specific selection within the general type of the media. Characters of the media has to be considered before selecting it, as it has the great influence or effectiveness of the advertisement. Problem of the audience measurement. Variation is the composition and the sizes of audience of the given media vehicle. Variation due to geography. Variation due to rate at which different vehicle accumulated and the audiences. A difficulty to estimating value of the different sizes of the messages units and within the between media. Estimating actual geographical area is covered. That conclusion are ad effectiveness is a decay proposition. Through it is necessary to know how the ads works for us. It is difficult to do it, especially by the relating advertising to sale. Thank you.